How different is this program? Our Comprehensive CFO Program stands out from other courses in several key ways. Depth and breadth. We provide a deep dive into the wide array of skills needed to be a successful CFO, going beyond just financial management to include areas such as strategic planning, governance, risk management, and digital transformation. Real-world application. Our program emphasizes practical, hands-on learning. We use case studies, simulations, and guest lectures to give participants exposure to real-world scenarios and challenges that CFOs face. Future-proof. We understand that the finance landscape is constantly evolving. As such, our program includes the latest trends and emerging technologies, such as FinTech, big data, AI, and ESG investing. Personal development. While many courses focus primarily on hard skills, we understand the importance of soft skills in a leadership role. We place a heavy emphasis on personal growth, resilience, adaptability, and stress management. Global perspective. Given the increasing globalization of business, we ensure our participants are equipped with knowledge about international finance, including currency risk management and economic differences between regions. Mentorship and community. Lastly, our program doesn't end when the course does. We foster a community of learners, where participants can continue to engage, learn, and grow long after they've completed the program. We also provide direct mentorship from experienced CFOs, ensuring participants have the guidance they need to succeed. Industry expertise. This program leverages the extensive experience of our faculty members and guest speakers, which includes seasoned CFOs and business leaders who have dealt with a range of challenges and successes. Their insights provide participants with invaluable real-life context that goes beyond textbooks. Flexibility. Our program is designed to cater to busy professionals. With a combination of recorded sessions, participants can learn at their own pace and convenience, balancing their current roles and commitments with their professional development. Customized learning. We understand that each participant may have different learning objectives, and we strive to meet these unique needs through personalized guidance and mentoring. Network building. This program gives participants the opportunity to connect with a diverse group of peers from various industries and roles, helping them to expand their professional networks and learn from each other's experiences. Career advancement support. Beyond imparting knowledge and skills, our program also provides career support. This could include coaching sessions, assistance with career planning and development, and even help with job placements. Focus on ethical leadership. In an era where corporate governance and ethical decision-making are increasingly important, our program places a strong emphasis on these areas, preparing leaders to handle these complex issues with integrity. Holistic approach. Our course recognizes the interplay between finance and other functions within a business. 13. As such, we incorporate cross-functional topics like marketing, operations, HR, and IT into our program, providing a more comprehensive understanding of a CFO's role within an organization. Interdisciplinary learning. We blend aspects of finance, management, strategy, and law to give you a well-rounded understanding of the diverse challenges a CFO may face. Learning through doing. Our program places a heavy emphasis on practical learning, with simulations, case studies, and real-life scenarios that allow participants to apply theoretical knowledge to real-world situations. Post-program support. Our relationship with participants doesn't end when the program does. We provide post-program support including updates on relevant industry trends, continued mentoring, and access to our alumni network for career opportunities and continued learning. Future-ready curriculum. We constantly update our curriculum to include the latest trends and technologies impacting the CFO role, such as AI, blockchain, and data analytics. Value for money. The wealth of knowledge, practical skills, industry insights, and networking opportunities provided by our program offers excellent value for the investment. 19. Global perspective. Our program offers a global outlook, addressing the international aspects of finance and strategy that are vital in today's interconnected business world. Emphasis on soft skills. In addition to hard financial skills, our program recognizes the importance of soft skills like leadership, communication, and emotional intelligence in the CFO role, and aims to develop these. Why this CFO Program Kit course has been designed and crafted in Q&A learning format. How will it benefit you? The CFO Program Kit course, meticulously designed in a Q&A format, is no ordinary learning resource. It is a highly strategic learning tool engineered to provide current and aspiring CFOs with the comprehensive knowledge and practical skills needed to excel in their roles. Thanks for your time and efforts.